How to delete Robinhood app from your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Robinhood on your phone. First, find Robinhood app on your phone. Here I have this on my home screen. After that, tap on this app and hold it for a second. After that, you'll see different options here. Click on this remove app option. Now click on this delete app option to uninstall Robinhood. Now it is going to ask for the reconfirmation. Simply tap on this delete button and this app will be deleted. There is also another method to delete the app from your phone. Go to your settings. Now go to this general option and here click on this iPhone storage option. After that, scroll down a little bit and find Robinhood app. Then click on it. Here you'll see this delete app button. Click on this option and it will going to ask for reconfirmation. Now finally click on this delete option and the app will be deleted from your phone. So this is how you can uninstall Robinhood from your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.